Well, good morning and hello again, and welcome to another view of. I just passed downtown Bowling Green. I'll just leave that clip in, and you can see where I just came from. Today is Friday, and it's another beautiful day. We made it to the end of the week. It's 69 degrees. It feels great. The sun is out, and what a great day to be alive. So I'm feeling pretty good. The other day I did the vlog about being weak as hell on my run, and I attributed it to the lack of carbs that I was having. And that next day I ran 3 miles, and then that evening I mowed and did some weed trimming, and I had to cut a bunch of limbs out of some trees that had been broke off in a storm, and I was ready for bed at 9:30 that night. And I was just, and that's unusual for me. Normally I don't go to bed till 10:30, 11, 11:30, close to midnight some nights. But yeah, I was beat down. But I woke up Thursday morning and felt fantastic, and have not felt tired since. So I am thoroughly enjoying this keto diet. I really am. I mean, it's the 21-day plan gets a little tough because it's a plan that you do, and they direct you with foods and how much and what to eat, and the goal of that is to get you into ketosis quickly in 3 weeks. And I'm almost there now. I am at my 1.2 was my ketone level Wednesday or Thursday morning, and optimal ketone levels is between 1.5 and 3, so I'm getting there. I mean, I got to 1.2 from a 0.5 pretty quick, so I'm excited to get there so I can start burning some of this fat off. And but yeah, the lack of carbs really hit me hard Wednesday. And I have noticed when I drink a lot of water right before I go to bed that I'll wake up at 3 o'clock to go to the restroom, and I've got a pounding headache, but it doesn't keep me from sleeping, and I fall right back asleep, and there's a remnant of it there when I wake up, and after my shower it's completely gone. So I don't know what that's all about. And this is something I thought I'd never say. I swear I didn't think I'd ever say this, but I had to cut out something that I used to enjoy with my coffee. I've been through a lot of coffee phases in my life. There was a time when I wouldn't drink anything but black coffee, and any other coffee was you know, blasphemous. So I found out that French vanilla creamer is fantabulous, and I got hooked on it. And that's the only way I have been drinking my coffee for the last bit of however long. Now, if it's a good coffee, a good rich, real good coffee, I'll drink it black because it's got good flavor. But crappy coffee, you gotta put something in it. Well, now that I can't use that creamer, and I'm having to use just a tad of stevia because I don't have expensive good coffee at home right now, it just doesn't appeal to me that much more. And I honestly think that I could probably stop drinking it. The only cup I had yesterday was my bulletproof coffee that morning, and I packed a little it's like a Stanley French press thermos thing. It holds like a cup and a half or something like that, a cup and 3/4. And I took that to work, and I had to go into another shop and discuss some work-related issues with a guy, and I left my coffee mug in there. And I'm gonna tell you, I did not remember that coffee until I was sitting around right after lunch. I was like, where's my damn coffee cup? I went in there it sat. It's just as full as could be, right where I left it. So it's not as fun to drink coffee as it used to be. I mean, I'm a coffee lover. There was a time when I would make a pot of coffee after supper, and me and the wife would drink that before bed, but not anymore. I just don't drink that much of it, which is not a bad thing. I mean, caffeine has some benefits, but you can everything can be overdone. Everything. Where's this guy fishing? I'm trying to see where this guy is out there on the wall. I see it. Yeah, that's where I caught my bass, back there in that corner. So yeah, the diet's going good. I feel good. I enjoy it. Drink a lot of water. I've had 2 days off of running, so tomorrow morning will be my 2-mile run, and I'm still not 100% sure when I'm going to start extending my runs. And like I said, I'm still not to where I can run the whole 3 miles without walking. I'm getting there slowly but surely, but I'm not trying to rush anything. You know, when you're 53 years old and you haven't ran in 10 or 15 or well, hell, probably 15 years, it's you got to take it slow. You just can't jump into it like you're 20 something. So I'm just taking it slow and not hurting myself. I have a normal knee pain, but I had that before I started running, so it's nothing new to me. Last time when I was on active duty, I screwed it up. I almost said the F-bomb. I screwed it up in Alaska. We were on doing a land nav course. It was an all-day land nav course, and I was stepping over some big logs that had fallen out there in the wood line, and I just landed on it wrong or something, and it was excruciating. And I explained it to people. I said, well, it doesn't hurt as much when I walk or even when I go upstairs, but coming downstairs, bring my leg from behind to the front is the worst. I went to the doctor about it, and the only thing they told me was I had patellofemoral stress syndrome, and he said what you can do for that is ice it and take Motrin, vitamin M as we called it in the military. So yeah, I'm like, okay, well, I really can't take ice with me on a run, and I'm not going to take Motrin on an empty stomach, so I just suffer through it. And it was nothing ever that needed surgery or anything like that, so here I sit with a knee injury, but it's okay, it's all good. And yep, so other than that, everything's going well. I hope everything's going good for everybody else. I guess the next video I do, I'll update it in the morning after my little 2-mile jaunt, unless I feel really froggy and want to run 3, but I really doubt it. You know, I'll look forward to a little short run, because I can try to pick up the pace a little bit when I know I'm only running 2 miles. I don't know why I have so much trouble ending moto vlogs. I think that I ride along here, and if I just randomly talk about different stuff, I don't have an end result. I don't have a point where I'm finished. You know, I'm just talking about random thoughts. So at some point, I just need to end it and include this at the end of the clip. So that's what I'll do. So because I don't ever end vlogs, right now this is going to be my ending to the vlog that goes up this weekend. Everybody have a safe, enjoyable day. Ride safe, be safe, and get out there and get some exercise so you can enjoy a longer life with your loved ones. Alright guys, I'm out of here.